All right, we are still doing simple eliminations. Last time we did question 17 and we simplified or we got rid of our y's. If we look at this one, let's see what we're going to do this time. Again, whatever I do for 19, you should be able to do for 20. So here we go. So if I look at option one is looking at our x's. I have a negative x and I have a positive x. That already cancels each other out, so that's probably the option I'm going to go with. If I look at my y's, it does not do that. I would have to multiply either the top or the bottom by a -1, so I don't want to do that. So we are going to look at our x's. Again, it's a positive and a negative. I can cancel that out. I don't need that. Y plus y gives me a 2y equals 10 plus 6 gives me 16. Divide both of these by 2. And I get y equals 2 goes into 16 8 times. So y equals 8. So I'm going to take this 8 and we can substitute it substitute it in either to the top or to the bottom. Since the bottom has all positive numbers, I'm probably going to pick that. The top one does have a negative for my x, so I don't really want to deal with negatives. It's way too early for that. So I'm going to plug that in. So the x stays. Instead of my y, I'm going to substitute it in for my 8 equals 6. Get rid of our 8 by subtracting 8 from both sides. And I get x equals a different sign, so subtract 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 gives me a 2. Look at which sign is bigger. My 8 is bigger, so I'm going to keep a negative. So my answer is a -2. So again, still one solution, and it'll be -2 and an 8. So again, my x's cancel out. Y plus y gives me 2y. 10 plus 6 is 16. Divide both by 2. I get an 8. Substitute it in. It doesn't matter which one you pick. Pick the ones that are most easiest though, so it'll be the bottom one. So I get x plus 8 equals 6. Subtract 8 from both sides. 8 minus 6 is 2. The 8 is bigger, so it's going to be negative, so x is -2. So my point of intersection is -2, 8. That's it. From there, you should be able to do question 20. It's almost identical. The only difference is that I had two positive numbers. Now you have a positive and a negative. And that's it. We'll go a little bit harder in the next video.